Welcome to this brand new training video. In this video, I am going to teach you step by step how to drive traffic to your Clickbank offers. No website needed, no landing page needed, no bridge page needed, and you could do direct linking. You could get set up within 2 hours and start getting traffic, and also you could build a list. Okay, now if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on this YouTube channel, then please smash that red subscribe button. You should see that red subscribe button below the video or anywhere on the side. Just click that red subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get all my future video notifications and you get notified of my upcoming videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Don't forget to add this video to your favorites and share this video if you love every bit and piece of it. My whole channel is all about affiliate marketing, make money online, make money from home, internet marketing, lead generation, traffic generation, and how to create a successful home-based business. So if you love my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's just dive into this video, okay? So how to make money, how to drive traffic to Clickbank offers. So if you don't know what Clickbank is, it has over 14,000 digital products. You could promote any products you want. Okay, you just have to register your account for free and then come to the Clickbank marketplace, and then you're going to go to e-business, e-marketing, and we're going to choose a quick product. Okay, and remember, I'm teaching you a way to do direct linking. Even though I recommend you build a list. The money is in the list. The money is where you're going to build a lead subscribers. So for that, obviously, you will need a landing page, bridge page. But with this method, you could also do direct linking, and you could start driving traffic. Okay, so I'm going to come here. I'm going to choose a product that I would like to promote. So let's just look for a product down here. Okay, so let's just go with this product down here. It's called Perpetual Income. It's paying with the upsells $218.28 in commissions. Okay, so I'm gonna go to this network here. It's called adhits.com. Okay, now adhits, you can see the websites on the left hand side. This website is getting 82,000, 41,000, 283,000. So we're going to create a quick campaign, and this network allows you to do direct linking. Okay, so you want to come here and you want to purchase by network ads. I'm just going to put perpetual so I know what I'm promoting here. All right, none of the above. And now you have two options: text ads, image ads. In my case, in my experience, I have had better results with image ads. When I say better results, I mean traffic and lead generation. Okay, because I build a list, I don't do direct linking. I haven't had a great experience with doing direct linking, so I always build a list. And when you want to build a list, you need to have a lead magnet page. Now you probably don't know what is a lead magnet page, so let me just show you one quickly. Okay, a lead magnet page looks a bit similar like this. Okay, something like this, where people come to the page and they enter the email here and then they go. So you need a page like this. You could do it yourself. You could, if you have HTML skills, you could hire someone, or you could use a software like Lead Pages or ClickFunnels. Okay, but this video is all about direct linking. So how do you do direct linking here? So we're just going to stick to the text ads. You could do images. I will come up with another video all about image ads as well. So make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified whenever I upload that video. Okay, so let's just stick to text ad. Then you could show your ad anywhere in the world. I would like to, you could even select regions, or you could select countries. I'm going to just stick to the regions down here. So I'm going to go for North America, and that's it. Okay, normally I would select North America and Europe. I'm just going to stick to North America for now, and I'm going to go to next step. And then you could select down here, what is your total budget for this campaign? I'm going to select $20. What is your daily budget? I'm going to put $5. It's a cheap traffic source. Okay, and then down here you're going to put your headline. Okay, make $500 daily from home. Okay, and ready okay. Okay, they only allow 70 characters, so let's just put, let me show you how to make real money from home, okay? That's it. Down here, you're going to put your destination URL. So you're going to go to Clickbank, you're going to click on promote. I'm just going to put add it here. I'm going to generate the hop link, right? And I'm going to paste it in here, right? And I'm going to put perpetual income. All right, there you go. Now, this is a direct linking. So basically, you're going to start getting traffic to this page. Now, remember, your ad has to be congruent with the offer, okay? So the way to do that is, I'm just giving you a demonstration purpose. So that's why I don't want to keep this video very long. I want this video to be quite short. That's why I just wrote anything down here, which is a general targeting niche, how to make money online. So basically, my ad is telling the person it's all about making money from home, okay? That's what it is. But make sure it's congruent. So how do you do that? You just go to the offer down here, okay? And you look at the offer. What is the offer saying? So down here, we can't see anything that is saying, but this pop-up comes up and it is telling us something. So we could get some ideas from this page and put that type of ad straight into the campaign, okay? So make sure it is congruent. The more congruent it is, the more targeted your traffic is going to be. And the more targeted your traffic is, most likely you're going to get conversions potentially, okay? But like I said, I always recommend building a list, okay? Build a list. So get a landing page just like this, okay? Paste it in, and then when people opt in, they are redirected to your offer. And if they don't buy, you don't have to worry because you have them in your list. So you could promote different offers, okay? You could also do browse website and then choose a specific website to have your ad placed on, but I don't use that. I have used by network ads, so it goes across the entire database that they have of all these websites that's getting huge amounts of traffic, okay? In my next video, in one of my videos, I will be coming up with a video with image ads, okay? So make sure you stay tuned for that, because like I said, I have had better experience when it comes to lead generation with image ads compared to text ads. So what's the next step is just go here, okay, and you just pay the money. All right, you could I guess you could also use PayPal for this purpose. It's going to cost you $20, $5 a day. You're going to start receiving traffic. Once your campaign is approved, you're going to start receiving traffic. You're going to start getting direct linking.
Knowledge is the new currency in 2019. Now, what I want to do right now is I want to talk to you a little bit about traffic generation, traffic and conversions, right? So a lot of people ask me about traffic, like what's working now. We have been teaching traffic for about a decade, and there is a big problem right now in the industry, in the world of marketing and traffic generation. 63% of companies surveyed say, and this is a survey coming from HubSpot, and they're surveying and working with a lot of different businesses from different niches, different genres. 63% of those companies and businesses say traffic generation is their biggest problem and the biggest challenge in their company. Let me tell you why. Because there's a big problem when it comes to traffic generation. Pop on my screen here, let me show you what this problem is, and I'll show you the solution for this problem. And if you pay attention, this might take you to a whole other level in your business. Check this out. Right now, today, everybody is teaching and regurgitating the same old, what's called platform dependency traffic strategy. What do I mean by this? Facebook advertising, right? Instagram advertising, YouTube advertising. Basically, in other words, a platform dependency traffic getting strategy. And there is a problem with it. Let me tell you why. Because the traffic game has changed forever. Okay, if you have not been familiar with what's been going on Facebook ad platform over the past 24 months, let me fill you in on that a little bit right now. Look, over the past 5 years, right, Facebook has been the go-to place to get traffic for many companies and individuals. It has been one of the best sources of traffic, sales, and revenue for entrepreneurs and small businesses who knew how to run campaigns there. Well, not anymore. Over the past 18 months, Facebook's growth has slowed down a lot. In fact, here is an article from Business Insider published not too long ago, and they say Facebook's active user growth went into reverse for the first time ever, and the worst is yet to come. Here's another one from Mashable, and here's what Mashable is saying. Facebook's engagement is sinking with no end in sight, right? And you know what? It gets even worse. Let me show you this. The average time on site for each Facebook user has dropped by 24%. That is a massive problem for advertisers. Even though this decline is happening, more businesses have started to use the Facebook ad platform than ever before. That means that listen to me, while advertising demand is increasing, the number of opportunities for ads Facebook can show is getting smaller. This leads to one thing: rising ad costs. Okay? In fact, despite their decline in attention and growth, Facebook's ad revenue over the past 18 months is up by 42%. Because if you want to show your ads to more people, more of their users, you have to pay them more money, right? Now, as a result, the average cost to acquire a customer in all major markets rose by over 400% in the last 18 months alone. That, my friend, can destroy any business if you don't adjust, which is exactly what we have been doing for my company and teaching other people how to do the same thing. Look, it's not all bad news, right? There's also some good news about this. While most entrepreneurs and businesses who follow the what's called old model for traffic generation are struggling, those who adjust and implement the new model, and I'm going to show you that in just a second, are experiencing record highs in traffic, leads, and sales. Here's the old model. It's called platform dependency. This is basically where people say, you know what, we're going to just run ads and see what happens, right? And hope somebody's going to buy. The new model is called data aggregation. And data aggregation will focus on three things. Number one, we're going to get traffic. Number two, we're going to manage traffic. And then number three, we're going to multiply traffic. Very methodically, very deliberately, very intentionally. And there is a method and a way for you to do that. This is what it looks like. I'm about to show it to you. Look, I want to give you the result of this. So over the past 36 months, I've been running a secret experiment on this model. Let me show you what it's done for us, right? So I have deployed a campaign doing the polar opposite of what everybody else is doing out there in the traffic generation, marketing, and sales world. Okay, and so instead of relying on any one platform, what I did was I followed what's called data aggregation, this new traffic model that I've developed, and now we teach this inside the Internet Traffic Academy. Anyway, here are the results. 17.5 million unique visitors, okay? That generated 3.7 million leads. Can you imagine being able to talk to 3.7 million people? Can you imagine that? Just look at this picture, right? 3.7, that's a huge city. Imagine being able to get your message out in front of 3.7 million people. It gets better. Now that crowd, right, produced for us in this particular campaign over 112,000 paid customers, okay, for over $12 million in revenue generated. Now the big question is Vic, you probably spend a fortune to get these. Well, depending how you look at it, right? Let's do some math on it, right? So before we do the math, here is what it cost me for this particular campaign. Again, this is over 36 months. So on average, we were generating over 450,000 visitors every 30 days like clockwork, right, during this particular campaign. Now, it cost us over $1 million, $1.2 million to run this campaign. However, the return on that investment, okay, has been 10 times, almost 10, like 9.85 or something like that. So it generated a net profit, okay, of over $10 million. Now, big numbers, and I don't want to scare you off of this thing. You know, you might be saying, well, Vic, I don't have $1 million to put into a traffic generation campaign, and I do not expect you to do that. I was not able to do that in the beginning, right? But let's do the math. Let me kind of break this down. Let's step back. Let me simplify this, and most importantly, show you what this can do for your business if you implement what's called data aggregation business model. It is mind-blowing, my friend. Check this out. Let's do the math on it, right? So it cost me on average 7 cents to get a visitor. Let me ask you a question. Would you pay 7 cents to acquire a visitor to your website, to your product, to your business, to your offer, to whatever it is you're promoting? Could you do that? Of course, right? Now, I made on average for each one of those visitors 69 cents. So I paid 7 cents and I made 69 cents for every visitor, regardless if they opted in, regardless if they engaged with me or not. Every single visitor was worth 69 cents to me, okay? So my average profit after expenses for each visitor was 62 cents. Now, this is a super scaled down version of that particular campaign so that, you know, everybody can wrap their head around this thing, right? So at the end of the day, here's what it did. It generated and produced almost 10 times return on my investment for this particular campaign. Now, I'm not gonna guarantee you that you're gonna get 10x, you know, ROI in your, you know, on whatever it is you're doing. I don't know your business model. I don't know what you're promoting. I don't even know you, probably, right? However, here's what I can tell you. Imagine going to a magic money machine and you put in $1 and you get $10 back every single time. The question is how many dollars would you put in? Okay? So if you are interested, okay, if you're watching this and if it perked your attention, if you are an entrepreneur, if you're selling anything on the internet, this should excite you and this should get your attention, right? If you're interested, if you want to know more about this new business model, how does this work, right? How do we go about setting this whole thing up? There's a process and I would love to teach you and show you this. Go ahead and click on the link that's next to this ad, wherever you're seeing this. I'm gonna take you to a page where I give you, I'm gonna put you through a training that I recorded where I explain in detail and I reveal and I pull back the curtain on this particular experiment and tell you exactly how I was able to do that. More importantly, how you can start following this new business model for traffic generation, okay? And crush it in whatever it is that you're doing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you at the training.